everyone! I'm very excited to introduce to you this new arrangement of Amazing Grace. I'm going to play the whole thing for you at the end of the video, but for now let's talk a little bit more about it and how you can go about learning it. So I kept this arrangement really simple because I wanted to make it accessible for as many harpists as possible. I know Amazing Grace is a familiar piece to so many people, one that you really want to add to your repertoire just because it will be fun to play, but it's also a beautiful one to play for other people because people have so many memories associated with this song. It has such beautiful lyrics that just pop into people's minds and can really have an impact on them. And you can play it in so many settings like nursing homes, you can play it for harp therapy, maybe in a church setting. I think it's a wonderful one to add to your repertoire. So the skills you'll need for this piece is playing with hands together, but it's very simple left hand parts, so it's not too difficult to play with hands together. And then you're going to be using fingers 1, 2 and 3 and overlapping brackets in the right hand. And this one, it doesn't have a very wide range, so you can play it on most small harps. The lowest note is this G below middle C, and the highest note is the G 2 octaves above that, so most of you should be able to learn it. So the sheet music is available for this piece, you can download that, but there is also a video lesson available which I think will really be helpful for you. It takes you slowly step by step through learning the piece, and I encourage you along the way. We break it up into small chunks and make it very manageable, and we take it hands separately and then we put it hands together as well, and there's a lot of reminders about your technique as well. So this is a great way to learn the piece if you just want someone to help you go through it and to be really effective with your practice time as you're learning this piece. So I'm going to put a testimonial up on the screen right now. Said that it was really helpful using my video lessons because I reminded her of her technique and her hand position, and that was really helpful for her with learning. And don't be worried about the technology side of things. It's just like watching a YouTube video, and if you can do that, you can do this. There's also some extra information on my website under frequently asked questions. You can check that, or you can email us if you need some extra help. So if you're ready to learn this piece, then there's a link now in the cards and down in the description box, and you can go and download it right away. But let me play through the whole thing to inspire you. Well, there you go. Wasn't that lovely? Super simple as you can get with Amazing Grace, I think, and yet it still maintains the beautiful tune and even some of the lovely harmonies, and I think it will really bring a lot of joy to people. So all the best with learning this piece. The link is on the screen now. You can purchase the video lesson or download the sheet music, and I'll see you there. Bye!